In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Friendship Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Friendship Primary and Bible knowledge. Which prophet was given divine protection after being thrown into a den of lions?
Daniel!
Correct. Portmore Missionary, which prophet was the successor to Elijah?
Elisha!
That's right. International affairs, it's a visual. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Alana Thompson.
Incorrect, it's Greta Thunberg, global environmental activist. Portmore Missionary, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Bruce Golding.
Incorrect, it's Antonio Guterres, UN Secretary General. Science, friendship. What type of human teeth found at the front of the mouth are used to bite and cut food?
Incisors.
That's right. Portmore Missionary, what type of human teeth adjacent to the incisors are pointed and used to tear or rip food?
Canines.
That's correct. Television, it's a visual. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Charlie.
Incorrect, it's Sweepy from Popeyes. Portmore, look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Jack Sullivan.
No. Looks like he's from Popeyes.
Popeye.
What?
Incorrect, it's Brutus from Popeyes. English language, friendship. Does the word pompous mean fat, arrogant, or scared?
Fat.
Incorrect, arrogant. Portmore Missionary, does the word audacious mean bold, kind, or fearful?
Bold.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Courtney Black.
Incorrect, it's Ruston Chase, West Indian cricketer. Portmore Missionary, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Albert Withy.
Incorrect, it's Nicholas Poron, West Indian cricketer. General knowledge, friendship. What is the official unit of currency in France?
Euro.
That's right. Portmore Missionary, what is the official unit of currency in England?
Pound.
Correct. Social studies, friendship. In which Jamaican parish is the Canoe Valley Wetlands?
Portland.
Incorrect, Manchester. Portmore Missionary, in which Jamaican parish is the Pear Tree Bottom Wetlands?
Manchester.
Incorrect, St. Anne. Music, friendship. Complete the title of this song by Michael Jackson. Man in the...
Mirror.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, complete the title of this song by Michael Jackson. Healville.
What? Wound.
Incorrect, it's world. Mathematics, friendship. What is the sum of 156.9 and 35.4?
192.3.
Correct. Portmore Missionary, what is the sum of 177.8 and 19.9?
197.7.
That's right. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Friendship Primary on 5 and Portmore Missionary Prep on 5. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. For every hour that you spend working on an assignment or preparing for a test, give yourself a little break to enjoy your favorite snack, take a short walk, or watch an episode of your favorite show. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.